Hello everyone, this is Vishakha Deshmukh from MSc IT Part 2. Today I'm going to present a project that is Automated Interview Candidate Analysis System. So basically this is the interface of it. Here we have built one system. First I will explain the statement behind this project. This is an automated interview candidate analysis system, basically which addresses the challenges by automating some process of emotion recognitions and some engagement detections during the interviews. So this system, it has some advanced techniques, which is based on like we are doing the video-based emotion recognition, audio-based emotion recognition, and engagement detection by providing some comprehensive analysis of candidate emotional state as well as its level of engagement. So basically over here we have what happens in traditional interview grading systems. We mainly focused on the verbal parts, but this system, it provides some insights. It provides some another layer which provides some insights on the emotional responses and engagement levels, which is both based on visual as well as auditory data. We totally agree that technical skills are very important, but in the real world, especially in the team-based environment, when we are working in the companies, we don't just need someone who knows the answer. We need someone who can communicate clearly, who can stay calm under the pressure, and who can handle the situations very nicely, who can stay engaged over this. So these qualities, they comes under the emotional intelligence as well as engagement factors, and they can directly impact our things like the teamwork, leadership, and the productivity. So we can have some example, like we can take an example of like we are having some technically strong candidate, but that technically strong candidate, it gets frustrated easily. But another candidate which we are having, which is calmly handling the situation. So here the system, it provides some better decision making for an interviewer. Here it just we can say, here it doesn't replaces our systems, or here it doesn't decide whether to hire or not to hire, but just provide some better decisions based on all these factors. So it adds some extra layer of depth to help this interviewer to make some balanced and well informed decisions. So let us start with this system. In this system, we have the three models. First is the facial emotion recognition. Second is the speech emotion recognition, and third is the engagement detection. First of all, we'll move depth in depth about this model. So for the facial emotion recognition, for training this model, we have used the FER 2013 data set. Okay, and this model, it is trained using the CNN architecture basically. So this is the process, pre-processing of the model before loading it into the data, loading the data into the model. So basically, this is the model building steps where we have used the CNN. So here we have used these four layers of CNN, like convolutional neural network. We have used the four layers of it. First is a convolutive. We have started by using the 64 filters, and then gradually we have increased it to 512. So at last we are getting the results from this model. This model, it takes the input emotions, like seven emotion this model is able to detect, that is angry, disgust, fear, happy, neutral, sad, and surprise. Here it detects the faces by using this MTCNN, like which is the basically it is MTCNN. It is another model which is able to detect the face and label it, and here it is also capable of uh, creating the bounding boxes which we see in the output. Later on we will see that. So let's move and we'll see the output. So this is the interface. Here we are having the two options. Either we can upload the file of any video from which we have to recognize the emotions, or either we can start with the webcam. From this, we can detect the multiple faces with the multiple emotions. I will show by running this model once. Next model which we have used over here is the speech emotion recognition model. Basically, what this model does is that we are using this BiLSTM for training this model. We are taking the input as an audio file. After that, we are converting it into a standard, that is .wav format, and after that, we are going to extract the features. We are extracting the features from the audios, and after that, we have trained this model by using the BiLSTM. So basically, I will show you how this works. Again, here we have specified the 7 emotions for it. Okay. So here our model has loaded successfully. We have to choose the two options from this. One is one for we have to press the one to record our voice, and second file, like second option we can press when we are providing some audio file for this. So in this point we have to specify, like one we have to enter for recording, and if we choose two we have to give the file path over here. So we have already given the audio path over here, so we can press here too, and we'll see what it predicts. So this whole model, it is trained on the three data set. Basically, it is predicting the SAD. Okay, so this model, it is trained on the three data set, that is the RAV test and EmoDB. And one more, we can also add our custom data set, and we can have um, the accuracy of this model is around 89% of predicting. Next model we are having, that is engagement recognition. In engagement recognition, here this model is capable to categorize the engagement factors, like is bored, confused, drowsy, engaged, frustrated, and looking away. We'll see this how it works. So we have given the input of the video to this, and it is successfully predicting, yes, this person is looking away. So engagement factor, it is detecting with the percentage. Okay, so this is basically the things. And after this, all this output gets saved in the CSV file. And after CSV file, we have set some parameters basically for the analysis. We have set like the things. It will give me like if we are recording, it will record the total duration of our interview. Then it will predict the most frequent emotion, that is neutral. Here it is predicting. It will give the weighted components, their percentage